Guys, where I'm going to be installing the rims, tires, right nearby where I live, and I'm here. So guys, this is just a walk around of the car after the mags install. As you can see, it's looking very nice. The back is looking nicer because obviously because of the incline it's a bit lowered. The front, however, we got a big problem with the front. Yeah, so we got to do something about that that front suspension to get it lowered. Again, the driver's side, rear. As you can see, we are sitting quite close to the arch there. Actually, it's overseeding a little bit, I think. But then again, I'm not gonna like drop it, give it a mad drop. Just gonna bring it down slightly. Maybe I can just roll the arches a bit as well on the back. But yeah, I'm not gonna be ridiculous in the drop, because as you can see, my driveway is quite steep. So I don't want it to damage the spoilers or anything. The front lip. So guys, huge shout out to Vivian from HiQ. Thanks so much for helping sort me out with the tires and the alignment and the fitting at a really good price. So I suggest if any of you guys are near by the Durban Phoenix area and you need some alignment or tires or anything like that, go check Vivian out. He'll give you a good deal plus friendly service and all the bells and whistles that comes with customer service. Yeah, he gave me such a good price and so good customer care. He even kept the tires for me while I was sorting out the rims and bringing it down from Cape Town. So yeah, shout out to Vivian, thanks a lot, and I definitely will be doing business with him again. Also guys, huge shout out as well to Shaba Max in Cape Town for sorting me out with the Max, for giving me some advice on the color and all of that, and arranging the courier to come out to me to drop off the Max with me. And yeah, he gave me a good deal as well. And as I mentioned, I did buy coilovers as well. He gave me a good deal on the coilovers as well. So yeah, that will be going on soon. Yeah, so guys, I hope you enjoyed this one. I'm going to definitely enjoy this Max. Yeah, proper Jap spec, that one. And can't wait for it to be lowered. So yeah, stick around, we're gonna bring it down to earth. Yeah, catch you guys next time.